Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, it's a new background. I moved into my own studio. I have a lot of exciting news to share with you guys, and I'll give you a proper tour of the studio soon. Maybe not now, but definitely I'll give you a tour soon. And yeah, I just show you around and let you see what's going on with the studio and everything. Yeah, so today I want to show you a quick walkthrough of a show that I did recently with a music artist and how I light it and a lot of other stuff. So let's get into it. This first setup, what I did was I had a single light source coming from an angle of like 70 degrees, almost 70 degrees, and I had a yellow gel behind my subject, which is acting as a rim lights kind of, which is supposed to separate him a little bit from the background. Well, it's supposed to be a little bit, but I ended up increasing the power of the rim lights because I want to see more of the gel on the side of his face. And for the second setup, I placed the blue gel inside my main light, which is still the octabox, and I changed the kicker lights to background lights with a red gel inside of it. Then for the third setup, I placed the grid on my main lights, which is still the octabox with the blue gel inside of it, and I had two lights as my rims, which is both gelled with red and green, but I later changed the green to red in Photoshop because I just didn't like what the color was looking like, so I changed it in Photoshop to red.
Like a flower that is losing its petals, I saw people losing their head. There are too many levels and nobody to tell you what's next. She took her time to handle the ache, just like taking a swan dive in a blue lake.
Then we moved to this amazing location when Twist contacted me for this shoot and told me his idea. I have been looking at this spot for quite some time, and when he shared me his idea, I knew immediately that this spot would be the best place to do the shoot. And we went there. I did natural light all through. We were just walking around and we kept picking different spots to shoot, and it just went so well.
Like a tower that is losing its balance, everything is falling apart. Is it too much to handle? Is there a way to restart? She took her time to handle the ache, just like taking a swan dive in a blue lake.
So thank you for watching this quick walkthrough video. I hope you've learned a thing or two. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and turn on the notification if you want to receive notification each time I put out a new video so that you don't miss any of it. And I hope I see you in the next one.